I'm going to show you 6 ways that you can make money online right now with Nano Banana. We're going to speed run this and go through some of the quickest ways. And I'm going to prove to you how easy it is to actually use this Google AI Nano Banana platform. And the crazy part is you can do this for completely free. So let's jump in and I'll show you how to make money with Nano Banana. All right, guys, I'm going to show you ways to make money online with Nano Banana. And we're going to speed run this. We're going to go through as many ways as we possibly can. And just before we do that, there's actually a page where you can get prompts specifically for Nano Banana that might help you with your journey using this specific platform, right? So they have one for making stickers. You can actually it's pretty cool. These are really, really good. Like you just add the style, the subject, line style, shading style, like you just add whatever you want. It's pretty cool. You can make stickers and things like that. We keep going down. You can make this type of stuff. You can like put images on, objects on images on specific things like cats. You can do architectural stuff here. You can make this cool stuff. You can put clothing, different clothing on people. You can do like portraits. So I'll leave a link to this below. This is really, really cool. It's got lots of things that you can use, okay? Now, let's get to this. I am actually adding more. I'm going to do this video on sections editor and then show you guys, but let's get started with some of the ways to make money with Nano Banana, and we're going to speed run this. Okay, so the first one is going to be colorizing images. Let's do that right now in Nano Banana. So you click on Nano Banana, you go to here, you want to put up a black and white image. I have a black and white image here. I'm going to say, can you colorize this image and make it realistic? All right, I'm going to let this do its thing. Now, how can you actually make money from this? That's probably the question you want to know. Very simple. You can go to places like Fiverr and you can put in black and white image or colorize, and you can sell this service online if you want. See, here we go. I will restore and repair old images, black and white. This guy has over 500 reviews, so we know that he actually makes money. If we have a look at this, boom, it's gone ahead and given us 2 versions here. I think they're the same. It looks like they're the same. That's the first way that you can make money with Nano Banana. This looks really good. Like, look at this. Amazing. Okay, so the next one, we'll refresh this now, is going to be product placement. This one is really, really easy as well, and I'll show you how to do that. So you want to go to Nano Banana again. We want to go and get some images. I already have the images. All right, this one is product placement. And what we're doing is we're going to put this product in this woman's hands. Now, I actually have a custom prompt for this. I'll leave a link below where you can get this. It cost me like 15 bucks or something like that. We're going to put this into here, and this does a really, really good job. Let's have a look and see what it does. How can you actually make money from this, you might be wondering? Well, you can simply create ads for e-commerce brands. Really easy way to make money with this. We just use AI to do it. It's crazy. Like, we didn't have this a few years ago and it was really hard. We had to actually pay companies to make videos and stuff. We don't have to do that no more. All right, this has come out really, really cool. I've done this a few times. This is not the best one I've done, but it actually looks really good. It looks like there's maybe some water coming down here. Not too sure, but product placement. You can obviously do a lot better than this, but if you actually see, it's got jars and eggs here, and down here, it actually took all of that out and it put some dishes and it put the dishwashing liquid and a sponge. So it's pretty fitting for what we are trying to promote here. The next one is we are going to go ahead and do stage property images. So this one's really, really cool. What you can do is you can go to your local real estate site. So this is Zillow, and then this is the one in my country, which is called Trade Me. And I can go ahead and find specific properties that need staging. So like this one right here doesn't, because as you can see, they've actually staged it already. I do apologize, my internet's quite slow here. They've actually staged it already. So they have like real products in there. But there's a lot of houses that you can find that are not staged, and we can actually use AI for this, and we can sell it. We can sell our service to a lot of these agencies. And so what that means is they don't have to go and spend a lot of money on staging properties. Now, this is more for brand new properties. So for example, if I go to refine this, if we go to new homes here, a lot of these are going to be staged. See, yeah, so this is staged, right? Because this is a brand new property. It's just been finished. No one is living in this. And it looks like that could potentially even be AI or some sort of render, maybe. I don't know. Now that this one actually looks real, can't even tell. That's crazy. So you want to go ahead, that floor looks like it's AI. So you want to go ahead and you want to, yeah, I think that's definitely AI, because why would you have a random frame there? So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to find agencies on your local real estate kind of like listing platform, and you want to find houses that are empty. And then what you can do is you can do this. You can go to Nano Banana. I have one right here. I have this room here, and you're just going to give it basic prompts. And I'm going to say, you're an architect. Fill this, stage this house for sale, stage this room for sale. Okay, and it's going to do this thing. Now, there's a couple of things you can do here. First of all, you can go to the Zillow and you can go to these real estate agent websites and you can find one, and then you can do an example and send it to an agent. And then what you can do is you can sign these agents up for other ones in the future. And this is going to save. Now, that's not the best. I have done a bit better than that. And I'm actually going to say, can you do this again? I did do one before that was a lot better than that, but we'll do another version. But there's two things you can do. You can then get these real estate agents on as clients, and you can essentially, instead of people paying to stage. So I actually paid someone to stage a property for me a couple of years ago. Now there's been inflation, but I paid $7,000 at the time. I think it was maybe between $5,000 to $7,000 to get someone to stage a specific property for me. Now, it did take a long time to sell, so that's probably why the price was a little bit higher. But you can literally save people so much money by actually doing this. I do apologize, my computer's slow because it just cannot handle this AI stuff. My Mac is very old. But we'll let it do another version. But that's what you can do. So you can go and do this. I'm pretty sure this is AI. I can't even tell. I'm pretty sure this is AI right here. All right, guys, I had to do it again because my Mac sucks. So here we go. It's done it again. Don't really like this one, but this bottom one I absolutely love. So you can go ahead and you can stage properties for agencies on these listing websites. Super simple. And once you build up a few like real estate agents, it's going to be very easy to actually grow, because you're going to have these agents that are always going to be calling you, wanting you to stage those particular properties. So let's look at another way you can make money with Nano Bananas here, and that is going to be landscape design. So pretty much the same thing. We go into here, and I've got a photo here of some land, of some like backyards. All right, we've got this backyard that's kind of like halfway through getting landscaped, I suppose. That was created with AI, by the way. It looks really cool. Create a I want to design some landscape, make this beautiful. Like, you don't even need, I don't know what this is going to turn out like, but you don't even need to put in long prompts for this. So let's see what it does. Now, obviously, it might not be right the first time, might not be right the second time, might not be right the third time, but you can go ahead and you can make it look pretty good by editing it. And how can you actually make money with this? We can go to fiverr.com as well. We can go to landscape, and people actually do landscape design on this website. So there we go. Okay. You can make money by doing that. Man, this AI stuff really thrashes my computer. So let's just see what it does. It's given us like some text on what it's going to do, I suppose. And like I said, you can make money by selling this on like fiverr.com or other websites. So you can even start your own like landscape design company, I suppose, if you want. So here's it. Now it's going to do an image of what it's explained. And that's crazy. Wow. I'm not really a fan of this like weird pattern here at all, but that looks really nice, to be honest. I would probably get rid of this weird pattern, put more plants in myself, but we've turned this image right here, which was bare bones, nothing there, to this image right here with a simple, basic AI prompt. You know, it's kind of missed out the back here and all that sort of stuff, but you could just play around with it, do better prompts, and you could definitely do a much better job than this. But this is what it's done. We're speed running this, and that's the idea. You can go ahead and do landscape design. All right, guys, so another way to make money with Nano Bananas is super easy. I'm just speed running through the easiest ones that you can potentially do, and that is to make stickers. And I actually have a custom prompt here that I made. We can go ahead and take this and we can put this into Nano Bananas, and we can go ahead and do that. So what we can do is we're going to let this actually create the sticker first. I don't know what it's going to turn out like. I haven't actually used this prompt yet. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's a little donut on its head. But yep, that's the prompt. We can sell these stickers on Etsy or wherever we want. So that's another way that you can make money with Nano Bananas, and that's with stickers. That's an easy one. Another one that we can do is we can do custom prompts. What that means is we can create custom prompts, and we can do that based off the document that I showed you at the start of this video. I'll leave a link below. So for example, I just created a custom prompt for this sticker. I could go to this website. I could go to this website here, which is called Prompt Base, and I can sell custom prompts for Nano Banana. People actually do make quite a bit from this. I have a friend that does this, and he is actually doing quite well. It's more of a side hustle gig, not really a full-time thing, but you can go ahead and you can sell prompts. Now, one of the best things to do right now would be to do this because Nano Banana is a brand new AI thing, right? So you're going to be new to the market. You're going to be in early. So selling custom prompts is another way to go ahead and make money with Nano Banana. All right, guys, so those are some quick ways you can make money with Google AI. Well, more importantly, Nano Banana down here. Now, this is one of my favorite ways to make money online right here is building e-commerce stores. I teach people how to actually do that. I'll leave a link below for that if you want to check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video.